Hey there, my friends. Welcome to Section 3 of our YouTube Ads video training series, Advanced YouTube Ad Strategies. In this section, we are going to walk you through some of the most advanced YouTube ad features, as well as the right ways to leverage them on your YouTube advertising efforts. In this section, you will be learning the following: using AdWords for video, setting up a video remarketing campaign, creating a brand awareness campaign, call to action overlays, optimizing your discovery ads, advanced YouTube ad tips and tricks. So let's kickstart this section with our AdWords for video advertising lesson. Using AdWords for video. You can set up your YouTube video ads campaign from your AdWords account. Doing so will allow you to leverage advertising settings that are unique to the AdWords platform, such as more detailed audience targeting options and preset marketing objectives. To use AdWords for video, you will simply have to start on your AdWords account, and from there, click on the Campaigns tab. Now click on the New Campaign button and click on the Video option from the Campaign Type Selection menu to use the AdWords for Video feature to launch your YouTube campaigns from AdWords. So the first step is to create your new video campaign. So let's show you how, step by step. Start by naming your new video campaign in the Campaign Name field. Now select your type of video campaign. You will have two types of video campaigns to choose from. The standard type is designed to drive views, awareness, and conversions with video ads running on YouTube and on other places around the web. The shopping type is designed to encourage people to buy products specifically listed in your Google Merchant Center account. You can also use the Load Settings From menu to load settings from existing video campaigns. In our case, we are going to select the standard video campaign type to drive people to our business website and to increase awareness about our brand. Now over the video ad format section, you will have to select your new video ad format. You can use the in-stream or video discovery ads format to publish video ads that appear during playtime and as search results on YouTube. Or you can use the bumper ads format to show unskippable 6-second video ads during mid-play on YouTube videos. In our case, we are going to select the in-stream or video discovery ads format to show our engaging sweepstake advert on YouTube videos and on YouTube search results. But you might want to select a different format depending on how you created your video ad and how you would like to show your adverts to viewers on the platform. Now you have to set up your bidding and budget formats. On bidding, you can select maximum CPV or maximum cost per view if you want to get the most qualified views allowed by your total budget. Or you can select maximum CPM or maximum cost per mile if you want to get the maximum impressions that you can afford within your budget. Please note that the maximum cost per mile option is only available if you select the bumper ads format. Now, over the budget section, you will have the options to either set a daily budget or a fixed campaign total. Just like we discussed in our previous video, the daily budget option will allow you to set up a daily amount of money towards advertising your video campaign, which means that your daily budget will be the amount of money that you will spend on a given video ad campaign on a daily basis. And the campaign total option will allow you to set up a lifetime budget for this campaign's run. And just like we did in our previous video, a recommendation here is to select a daily budget and to allocate from $5 to $30 a day, depending on how much you can afford to spend on a daily basis. This will allow you to test out your campaigns and to increase your daily budget amount if you are achieving your target objectives, or to pause your campaigns and optimize them if you are not seeing an adequate return on investment over your ad spend. Click on the Campaign Start and End Date display button to set up your campaign start and end dates. It will be set by default to start as soon as it is approved and without an end date, but you can check the calendar boxes below and to use the calendar functions to schedule your video ad campaigns. In our case, we are going to leave our new video campaign unscheduled, so we can stop it on a later date on our own. You can select the Delivery Method display button to select an ad delivery speed. You can select Standard to deliver your ads evenly over the course of the day or during the length of the campaign's lifetime. Or you can select Accelerated to show your ads quickly and to as many people as possible. In the Network section, you can select placements to show your video ads, including YouTube search results, on YouTube videos, and on video partners on the display network. A recommendation here is to leave all the options selected. Now in the Location section, you can select where to show your video ads, either in all countries and territories or in your current location. You can check the Let Me Choose option to select your own target locations, which is what we recommend. In our case, we are going to select some high-spending English-speaking locations where to advertise our offer. In the Languages section, you will be able to specify the language of your potential customers. And in the Device section, you can adjust advanced device targeting settings. Lastly, you will be able to create custom ad schedules by clicking on the Ad Scheduling display button and to set up frequency caps and content exclusions by clicking on the Ad Delivery display button. Once you have set this up, simply click on Save and continue to move on. Now it is time to create your ad and your ad group. Start by naming your new ad group in the Ad Group field. Now enter your video ad URL in the Video Ad field. In our case, because we selected the in-stream or video discovery ad format, we will have the option to customize each ad format variation separately. Start by selecting in-stream ad if this is your case as well. You will simply have to enter your display URL, which is the website address that appears in your ad, and the final URL, which is a valid URL that people will click through to go to your site. Now select the video discovery ad to customize your discovery ad. Start by selecting your video ad thumbnail. Then you have to customize your headline and your description lines. Just like we advise you on the basic campaign setup video, use headlines for short copy where you include the name of your brand, your product or service, as well as keywords that describe the use and benefits of your offer. And use the description line 1 field to enter your website URL and the description line 2 field to add a call to action or an incentive. Then on the landing page section, select whether to make your channel page on YouTube or the videos watch page on YouTube, the video ads landing page, and then name your video ad in the ad name field. In the bidding section, you can set a fixed maximum bid according to your bidding objective. In other words, it is the highest amount that you are willing to pay for a single view or impression, depending on which one you choose as your objective. Our recommendation here is to apply an amount a little bit above the typical amount recommended by AdWords, right beside the amount box. Lastly, in the targeting section, you will be able to set up your audience targeting options. Here, you will be able to customize your target audience according to demographics and interests. In the demographics subsection, you will be able to target audiences by gender, age, parental status, and household income. How you adjust these demographic settings will mostly depend on the offer that you want to promote and the message that you want to send through your video ads. So take the time to research your target audience. Once you have made your adjustments in this subsection, simply click on Done to save your changes. Now in the Interest subsection, you will be able to target affinity audiences for maximum reach, to target in-market audiences for maximum return on investment, and to target custom affinity audiences. You will also have the option to target audiences by life events, such as college graduation, marriage, and moving. Lastly, you will be able to use the Narrow Your Audience menu to add targeting criteria to your targeting settings, including specific keywords and placements, as well as to target website visitors through remarketing and by targeting specific topics. Once you have set up your ad groups and ads, simply click on Save Ad Group. Awesome! Now your new YouTube video ad campaign is up and running, alongside the rest of your AdWords campaigns. Next up, we will be showing you how to set up a video remarketing campaign. So tune in.